Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad Hassan and today we are going to explore another scent from Roja Dove, which is Vetiver. So this is Roja Vetiver. So I am going to review today how good this Vetiver is and should you wear it or not or whatever. So let's start and spray it over here. So I am going to spray it. Fresh kind of bergamot or outer layer of an orange, the peel of orange. Yes, orange, really citrus, aromatic. Yes, green in the start. Right now it is very citric. Now it is getting somewhat earthy, very little, like maybe 5% earthy, have some dampness in it. Green, mostly it is citrus. If I would describe it in a colors, then it is more on orange and yellow side, which is lemon and citrus. Then a little bit of green, like maybe 10% green and maybe 5% earthy. That is it. Let's try to see how it acts after some dry down. So I actually have this sample over here, which I was keeping from long time, and today I thought that I should share my thoughts on how this actually smells, Roja Vetiver. Now it is mostly citric, very citrus, kind of like you are smelling an orange from its skin, from the top, and it has some of the smell from inside. If the orange it has some hole in it and you can smell little bit inside and most of the outside. Orange peel kind of smell is very prominent. It is mostly very citrus. I don't see much of the vetiver over here, on the paper at least. So it is mostly aromatic, citrus, orange kind of citrus, orange yellowish citrus with a little bit of greenness and little bit of earthiness or mossiness, whatever you can say, but it is very low. So it is almost undetectable. Really, it feels like you are smelling the orange peel. So there you can see there is an oil. When you peel the orange, it has a specific smell. That smell is in there. I think that is all about Roja Vetiver. I hope you have enjoyed this review. If you have used it or you use this perfume, let me know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will meet you in another video with another review. Make sure you like, subscribe my channel, and I will meet you soon with another perfume or another oil. Till then, take care. Bye bye.